If you're looking for a fantastic family home with 4 bedrooms and a beautiful private backyard area with a studio to boot, then you need to keep watching this video. Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from eXp Realty, and I am thrilled to introduce you to 52 Madras Crescent in Scarborough. This is a wonderful neighborhood with lots of great families, and this home is perfect for a family. We've got 4 bedrooms and 1,600 square feet. It's got a walkout on the back with a large glass door, and even a studio for those of you that need extra storage space or that may want to do some creative things back there. Let's take a peek inside. Here we are inside the ground level of this retro with integrity home. As you look around throughout this video, you'll see that this home has been meticulously maintained to the state that it was originally updated to in the 70s. It's in great shape. I would probably even leave it exactly the way it is. It's so cool, but I don't think there's anything that would be any big surprise to update that to modern standards. The main ground floor here has a really nice sized family room area with large glass doors that lead out into the backyard that we saw a few seconds ago, and a studio that we'll look at a bit later as well. This room is kind of a dining room, family room combo, the way that it's set up now. And beside that is a modest kitchen with a nice window overlooking the side of the property. And beside that kitchen is another living room space that is perfect for enjoyment and getting away from family with a bit of extra space. And it also has a hidden side door that leads out to the side as well. So this property actually has a few different entrances that you could come in. The rest of the floor has a 3-piece bathroom with a shower and the furnace room that has all the services for the home. A gas furnace with forced air. Let's take a peek at the bedrooms. Here we are in the master bedroom. It's actually quite an amazing room. Very large. All of the bedrooms actually have a ceiling feature like you see here, which is really, really cool. You can see from the size of the room that there's lots of space. There's tons and tons of closet space as well. There's windows on both walls, which one leads out into the backyard, the other shows the side yard. With the positioning and the height of the home, and with the size of the lot being 43 feet by 111 feet, there's so much privacy, and the privacy is enhanced by the mature trees. There's so much going for this home that you just can't build into a home when it's brand new. The other bedrooms on this floor are, again, 4 bedrooms. The second bedroom has a large window overlooking the back of the property and a good-sized closet. The third bedroom has a window that overlooks the front of the property with, again, another good-sized closet. And the fourth bedroom also has a good window overlooking the front and a good-sized closet as well. You'll notice that most of the flooring in the upstairs is hardwood. I believe they've carpeted over the hardwood, but 2 of the bedrooms on the front of the home have the carpet already removed, where you can see that. And this floor is also finished by having a 4-piece bathroom. But let's take one more peek at the backyard and studio, as that's a huge benefit to this home. The children living at this home would attend George B. Little Public School, or older children would go to Woburn Collegiate Institute. There's also a park nearby called Morningside Park, which is a great place to go for a walk, bike ride, or have a picnic. This home has so much to offer in this area. And if what you've seen so far isn't enough, this studio is the cherry on top. A huge addition to this gorgeous property. It would be fantastic for storage, as there's tons and tons of storage space, or technically a fantastic place to do extra work if you're working from home, or if you are an artistic type person and want to do any of those types of things out of this building. It's the perfect space for creativity. This studio is also heated with electric heating, and it seasonally has water as well. If this home is of interest to you, please give me a call today. It would be an honor to serve you.